At Time Check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Mrs., gusto mo ng flower garden sa loob ng bahay? Ibabad lang ang iyong labada sa Charm Fabric Conditioner.
Kabloom!
Ang Charm Fabcon ay may 3 flowery scents na mapagpipilian. Blue All Day Fresh, Pink Peony Fantasy at Red Berries and Blossoms.
Kabloom!
Subukan na ang Charm Fabcon, bangong
Kabloom!
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Ang kinis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget.
So solid, White Rose Papaya, wow, White Rose. White Rose Papaya, wow, White Rose. White Rose Papaya. May glow up with White Rose Papaya.
Puti sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puti power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up with the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Puti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Mapa-on cam sa TV o on air sa radyo, aba, dapat laging lively at full of energy. Hello, beautiful people! Ako ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero, always at your service. Hindi pwedeng lalamya-lamya. Kaya ang partner ko sa trabaho, MX3 Capsule, coffee at tea. MX3 Capsule, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3, tunay, natural at original.
I got my first real 6-string.
Bryan Adams, Roll with the Punches Tour 2026. Performing his greatest hits and more live at the Mall of Asia Arena, January 31st. Bryan Adams, live in concert. Book now at smtickets.com. Presented by Wilbur's Live.
Hello, Philippines. It's Bryan Adams. See you all soon.
Magandang kalusugan po! Si Ate Chat Ramirez de Luna po ito. Inaanyayahan po namin kayong makinig sa Buhay at Kalusugan, hatid ng Herbena. Araw-araw, mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes, sa ganap na alas 5 ng hapon hanggang alas 6. At pag Sabado, sa ganap na alas 8:30 ng umaga hanggang alas 9. Dito, sa ating paboritong himpilan, DWWW 774 sa ating talapitan. Mas maganda nang nag-iingat sa kalusugan dahil mahal magkasakit. Magastos po! Ate Chat, Buhay at Kalusugan, hatid ng Herbena. Maraming salamat po!
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman! Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Ganyan ang Pinoy! Isang paalala mula sa MX3, naniniwalang mabuti ang Pinoy.
MX3, tested and proven with alpha, beta, at gamma mangosteen.
Charm Fabcon, bakit makabloom sa tiyan? Walang amoy kulog, kahit sabay sa loob.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Fabcon, bakit makabloom sa tiyan? Walang amoy kulog, kahit sabay sa loob. Makabloom sa Charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Muli nating balikan ang doctor's orders sa DWWW 774, your clinic on the air.